Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Airbnb rental strategy with Hostaway, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your Airbnb rental strategy with Hostaway, start by logging into your Hostaway account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can view your current property listings. Click on the Settings tab to access the property management options. Review your property details and ensure all information is accurate and up to date. Next, explore the pricing strategy section. Adjust your nightly rates based on seasonality, local events, and competitor pricing. Utilize Hostaway's dynamic pricing tools for automated adjustments. Consider implementing minimum stay requirements during peak seasons to maximize revenue. Move on to the Channel Management section. Integrate your Airbnb account if you haven't done so already. Ensure your calendar is synced to prevent double bookings across platforms. Next, focus on your marketing strategy. Use Hostaway's promotional tools to create special offers or discounts. Enhance your listing with high-quality photos and engaging descriptions. Optimize your property titles and tags for better visibility in searches. Take a moment to review guest communication templates. Customize messages for inquiries, booking confirmations, and check-in instructions. Incorporate personalized touches to enhance the guest experience. Now, examine your review management strategy. Respond promptly to guest reviews to build a positive reputation. Analyze feedback for areas of improvement in your property or service. Check the analytics section to track your performance metrics. Monitor occupancy rates, revenue, and guest demographics. Utilize this data to refine your strategy continuously. Lastly, schedule regular updates to your rental strategy. Stay informed about market trends and platform updates. By regularly revisiting these steps, you can ensure your Airbnb rental strategy remains competitive and effective. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.